everyone, my name is Likita and I am from grade 6B. Today I am going to do a very tasty and delicious dish, and the dish name is aloo paneer bird's nest, and the ingredients required for that recipe are roasted semium, coriander, boiled corn, breadcrumbs, grated carrot, corn flour with water, chaat masala, red chili powder, salt, garam masala, boiled potato, onion and grated paneer. And now let's begin how to make it. First, I am going to smash the boiled potatoes. And now the potatoes have been smashed completely. Now I'm going to put onion, boiled corn, grated carrot, coriander and paneer. Now I'm going to put half spoon red chili powder, half spoon garam powder, salt and chaat masala. Now I'm going to mix this. Now I finally mixed the mixture. And now let's do the shape of the bird's nest. Make the potato mixture as a patty and then squeeze it in the center like this. Now you have to dip this mixture in the corn flour with water. And now splash it around with roasted semium. Now let's fry them. Now it's done. Let's go for plating. Thank you. And the story behind the dish is in winter, all the birds have been seen.